Good morning, children. Today we are celebrating Vasant Panchami, or you may call it Saraswati Puja or Vasant Utsav. This day marks the beginning of the spring season. On this day, people dress up in yellow color and offer yellow flowers to their gods and goddesses. You know why? Because yellow is the color of nature, vibrance and liveliness. Therefore, the students of class 3 have prepared a beautiful and vibrant presentation for all of you in the form of this special assembly. Your last cycle test is on 26th of February, but your other assessments are still left. Therefore, the last working day for this session will be 26th of March. Just a few more days to go, and you all will be promoted to the next classes. So gear up for more hard work, more responsibility, and certainly to receive more love from all of us here, including your teachers, who are eagerly waiting to see you in school. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Let's enjoy the assembly.
Good morning and welcome to the BBPS Times News, your global news partner. I am Athar, your news anchor today, and I welcome you all to our newsroom. We have Rishan, Linisha and Manya for updating you with the national news.
Namaskar. I feel delighted to share India celebrated its 72nd Republic Day adhering to COVID-19 protocols amid pandemic on 26 January. Over to Linisha.
And on the other hand, farmer protest has taken an international turn with the eminent international personalities showing their support with the tweets on Twitter.
Let's hope that their protest remains peaceful and soon concludes. I think reporter Manya is trying to connect with us from Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand has been again hit by nature. The glacial burst causing crashing of dam has left hundreds of people missing.
Now let's get some international updates from Kaira and Kartikeya.
Thank you, Athar.
The mystery city of China, Wuhan, is to be visited by WHO, World Health Organization, to investigate about the origins of coronavirus. Over to you, Kartikeya.
Thank you, Kara. The next news is from Myanmar, where military has seized control over the state and has declared a year-long state of emergency. Over to you, Adar.
Thank you, Kartikeya. I hope that the things will get normal soon. Now let's take a glance at the sports world from Himani and Manya.
I feel happy to share that Maya Bay has made history by becoming the first female driver to join the Ferrari Driver Academy.
Good morning, everyone. IPL is all geared up to rock this year too. As many as 1,097 players have registered for the 2021 Indian Premier League Players Auction, which is scheduled to be held on February 18 in Chennai.
Now it's time to have a look at the school news.
A lot has been going on recently in our school. The personality development classes provided an opportunity to the students to showcase their talents and express their emotions. Regular practice tests, competitive examinations, and GK quizzes are being attempted by students on Gyan Katta to keep them abreast of the latest happenings in the world.
Indeed, it's been a wonderful virtual journey so far. Come, let's find out the weather conditions now.
Every year, around the middle of February, Delhi's climate sees a transition from winter to summer. The transition weather is known as spring. The warmest day in New Delhi was on last Friday, and the warmest night is forecast to be on 18th February. Today, I hope the sun shines on everyone.
On that sunny note, we wrap up the news. Thank you.
Hello and good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to yet another virtual assembly of the Primary Department. As you all know, spring is a miraculous experience. Little did we know that beneath the hard and cold ground, the plants and trees were preparing for rebirth. It is time to renew the excitement and zest for life that lives inside us. Let us all start by listening to a poem on spring. Everything is blooming most recklessly. I guess spring is here. A season of new beginnings. A season which means nothing but the manifestation of the best. I believe that spring is not a season but a lifetime. But only if we have happiness in our heart. Only if we are ready to free our mind from noise like anger, jealousy, hate, and make our souls full of love, compassion, and care. So let's take a break from this tangled cobweb and appreciate the nature which is at its best. Let's leave behind all the grudges that we hold and give a fresh start for the mankind which is dying deep in sorrow. So let's all love what is kind, make the sun shine, as there is no time like spring, where life is alive in everything.
From now, I will always be worshipping Goddess Saraswati on this special day, and I can see her blessing me.
विद्या की देवी कहलाती, विश्व में पूजी मैं जाती, स्वर की दाता, वर्णों की ज्ञाता, मेरी है अलग पहचान, कमल पुष्प पर मेरा वास, सत्य स्नेह देती उल्लास, सच्चे हृदय में मेरा वास। ज्ञान का होता प्रकाश, अज्ञान का होता नाश, दुखियों के दुख हरने वाली, मंगलमय बड़ी निराली, स्वर की देवी मैं कहलाती, सद्भाव सब ओर फैलाती। Did you know shlokas are a means of praising and making an earnest prayer to God? Reciting a shloka helps us develop humanity in ourselves. Let us all join our hands and begin.
या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हारधवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्ड मण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभुरितभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सामं पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजत्यापहा। जो विद्या की देवी भगवती सरस्वती कुंद के फूल, चंद्रमा, हिमराशि और मोती के हार की तरह धवल बन की हैं और जो श्वेत वस्त्र धारण करती हैं, जिनके हाथ में वीणा दंड शोभ्यमान है, जिन्हें श्वेत कमलों पर आसन ग्रहण किया है तथा ब्रह्मा, विष्णु एवं शंकर षडंकर आदि देवताओं द्वारा जो सदा पूजित है, वही संपूर्ण जड़ता और अज्ञान को दूर कर देने वाली माँ सरस्वती हमारी रक्षा करें। शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, किन चरणों का प्यार दे।
वीणा पाणी तार दे, तार दे, तार दे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे। Have you thought what the thought for the day is? Let's find out.
साहस शील हृदय में भर दे, जीवन त्याग तपो में कर दे, संयम सत्य स्नेह का वर दे। माँ सरस्वती आपके जीवन में उल्लास भर दे। धन्यवाद। May Goddess Saraswati bless you with the ocean of knowledge which never ends.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।